forward to the day because it has been 21 years since I drove this car for the first time. So being part of this small development group, because it was a small group of really talented people who made this project, and then obviously winning it in Le Mans, with this car was a really nice feeling. Immediately, well, not immediately, but all the feeling came back, how it was, and it was it felt quite confident, I would say, yeah. I think it's the combination of, first of all, being in the Ferrari, and having having a V12 engine, and that combination of all that together, with the mystery, and also like here now today, there is nobody who says, oh, the car is not sounding nice. Everybody is complimentary about, everybody's like flabbergasted, especially the way it is going with race cars, so it's, it was just, it was and is an iconic car, I think.